Dude, we were just talking about me betting $3. And I'm like, I'd like you to get a bonus. I get 4 chainsaws.
Oh my God.
But the fourth one don't really do nothing. Hopefully we can get an upgrade.
You better not get that many. Okay.
Or a mansion. Or the grand. Oh, man. But this is actually good. They got 4 chainsaws. So
you might get the mansion.
okay. So no, it's just I'll go this way. Okay. Alright, this could be alright. That's funny, man. Like, yeah, nah. And I was just about to bet $3. This would have been nickels. See, but this bonus sucks because you can't stop it. So we'd be lucky if we got some in the red hats. See, look at that. Yeah. Yep. Just that is dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. We need in the 4th and 5th row. Nope. So it wouldn't have mattered. You know, I'd bet $3, it wouldn't have mattered. It would have been 5 times the money, though. That would have been the difference. Alright. See if we can get it back to back. Come on. Since the 4 of them are lined up. Come on. Can we get 3? And we need the wolf to come out. Come on.
I hear the wolf.
I wish.
He's puffing and puffing.
We're gonna blow the house down.
down.
That's what he's gonna do. Yeah, there he is right there too. Alright, it was $10. Gosh. Oh, and 5 hats. Yeah. Come on. 2. Does 2 bring 3? That was some money. Come on, 2 bring 3. Or wolf. Yeah.
Here comes the wolf.
Alright, come on. Come on, wolf. Oh, there was an upgrade. Again. Again. Alright. Come on. Come on. Upgrade us one time. Or mansion feature, we wish.
Mansion's coming. Mansion's coming, right?
Go to upgrade. Oh, God. That'd have been the shit. We went to upgrade. Wow. That would have been nice. Oh, we got 1 mansion. Nice. Yep. We're going to have 1 mansion to start out. Good. Nice. And 3 reds. 2 reds and 1 mansion. Nice. Now can we get those reds? Nah, it's asking too much. Can we get in the red? Come on, red. 3 hats to retrigger one time? No. Okay. Can we get a retrigger? Wow. It said, you come back now, you hear?
Give us a coin. $1,775 penny winner. Is it coming back to back? Mike,
It might. Yes or no?
I'd rather.
All right, let's go. Let's go. No fear. Back to back. He said it might. I don't like this. It wasn't a confident answer. Can we get a wolf out? Oh, man. 2. Come on, 2 bring 3.
comes the wolf.
He is.
Looking.
There he is. Gosh. There he is.
There he is.
Come on, chainsaws. Chainsaws. Oh. 4,050 penny winner, guys.
That gives you ammunition.
So is it coming back?
Yeah.
Alright, he said it. Let's go. Come on. Gosh, I was hoping he... Okay. He said it. He was right. But you can't stop it. I hate that. Oh, wow. Now, if we get hats inside the red hats, I'll be very surprised. Nope. Not even... Oh, wow. Okay. Can we get him in the first and second row? Third, fourth?
Alright.
Yeah. You come back now, you hear? You've been a good customer. You've been a very, very good customer. We could maybe get the wheel, but that'd be very lucky. Alright. What's that mean? 2,675 penny winner? What's that mean? We still going for it?
Yeah.
Alright, he said yeah. He's not really too confident. Oh! Come on, chainsaws. Chainsaw. Chainsaw, alright, our money.
What is that?
6,075 penny winner. And he was like, maybe. Gosh, how much would it have been if the other ones were right there? Wow.
150.
Now what's that mean? Take that 15,470 pennies and run.
No.
He says
Three
no.
backups.
Three bagger. Three bagger. There's
Oh,
two.
shit.
See?
I'll let you. I'll let you.
Take that, bank. Take. Make sure you gamble responsibly. Viva Las Vegas.
Dude, what'd you make?